Jiang CB Group and Sensor Stamina will quickly report on the Middle East war. The US is reportedly considering sending special forces to Iran, though this isn't confirmed yet. Reports suggest US Central Command and Israel are planning ground operations inside Iran. This is Tehran. So far, over 1,300 people have died in Iran, and about 100,000 have become refugees, with many people forced to leave their homes. The UN Refugee Agency reports that emergency aid requests are rapidly increasing. After the attack on the oil facility near Kosar Avenue in Tehran, a fierce fire is raging. This is Tehran, which is under heavy attack. This is Sanandaj, Iran. This footage shows an Iranian Revolutionary Guard base in the Sanandaj area being hit by an Israeli airstrike. This is footage of an Israeli airstrike targeting Iranian oil facilities. This is Haifa, Israel. Over the skies of Haifa, the Israeli military is launching interceptor missiles to stop Iranian drones and missiles. This is Haifa, Israel. Hezbollah's rocket attack has been intercepted. This is Israel. As Hezbollah launches numerous rocket attacks, Israel's Iron Dome is being activated. This is the Beirut area in Lebanon. There was an Israeli airstrike in the Beirut area. This is Beirut, Lebanon. There was an Israeli airstrike. The Lebanese Ministry of Health reported that an Israeli airstrike on a hotel room in Beirut's Rouché area killed 3 and injured 9. This is Bahrain. Salman Port in Bahrain was attacked. This is Kuwait. A Shahed drone attacked the aviation fuel supplier at Kuwait International Airport. Kuwait's public social security institution was also attacked. This is footage of a US airstrike targeting the 40th Brigade of the Popular Mobilization Forces at Kataib al-Imam Ali base on the outskirts of Mosul. This is Iraq. Here is footage of an Iranian drone infiltrating a US airbase in Iraq. US soldiers are attacking the drone with M4 rifles. This is Iraq. Here is footage of sirens sounding at the US embassy in Baghdad, and the air defense system is operating. Rockets are flying toward Baghdad, Iraq, apparently targeting the US embassy. This is the UAE. In the UAE, an Iranian military drone was intercepted. Debris crashed near the 23 Marina building, with rescue workers responding. Iran said it can keep withstanding attacks from the United States and Israel. President Donald Trump said that as the war with Iran continues, there is a possibility that the US military could deploy ground troops to Iran, but added that there would have to be a very good reason for it. It has been confirmed that the equipment used in the previous attack on Cyprus was Russian-made, and the US embassy in Oslo, Norway has been bombed. Fortunately, since the event took place at dawn, there were no fatalities, but there were some minor injuries. Iraqi Brigadier General Haider al-Karki stated that since the outbreak of the Iran war by the United States and Israel, neither Iraqi forces nor Kurdish Peshmerga troops have crossed into Iran. China stated that this is a war that should never have happened, that major powers must play a constructive role, and that now is the time to end the war and reconcile with each other. At the same time, they also issued a warning to Iran, emphasizing that Iran must not escalate the war any further. 2 Iranian cargo ships linked to Iran's ballistic missile program left China's Zhejiang port for Iran, the Washington Post reports. The Gulf Cooperation Council called Iran's ongoing attacks on Bahrain and Kuwait dangerous acts of aggression threatening regional security. If there are more updates, I'll make and upload a video. This concludes the video. Thank you.